guys, Miss Arlene back with another video. I'm going to show you how to make this plain old terracotta pot into a superhero planter. Here we go. So guys, this is a simple, easy craft to do, and all you need is a plain old terracotta pot. You can use any pot, but I think terracotta works best for this project. And you need some Mod Podge, and these are from the Dollar Tree and also Michael's. And you just need some stickers or some tattoo for this project. Okay, you also need a brush and some water close by. Okay, so let's get started with this. And the first thing you want to do is get your pot all ready. Okay, so make sure it's nice and clean when you're going to be doing this project, my friends. And we're gonna get our tattoo all going. And I got some Spider-Man tattoos from Walmart, and so we're going to use this for this project. Okay, so make sure you have a scissors handy so we can cut up, and these are the tattoos that we're using now, and then we're going to use some stickers in between. So I got Spider-Man here, and I also got Batman. What child wouldn't love this? And this is a great way to get children excited about gardening and being a plant lover, right? So get them make one of these with them, a superhero planter. Okay, so my friends, I've put the tattoo face down. Okay, so sorry guys, I should have said that. So when you get the tattoo, take off the plastic that they have on it. Okay, and then you're going to place the tattoo face down. Okay, put the tattoo face down. Get your I'm caught up in get yourself some water, and then you're going to just dab it with some water. Make sure you have additional paper towel around so that you can sort of soak up that excess water. Okay, so this is what you're doing. And what we're looking for the tattoo to be a little bit transparent through all this paper. Okay, and then it will be ready. Okay, so we're using some tattoos, and we're also using some stickers as well, my friends. Okay, and this is such an easy project to do, and this is a great way to get children excited about planting stuff. This would be a great planter for a nice plant to get, you know, and keep it in your child's room. Okay, remember we need some just to suck up the excess water. Okay, and you just keep doing that until, as I said, until you can actually see the tattoo through the paper. Okay, so I'm going to slowly take it off. I'm going to slowly peel this off, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Ta-da! Here we go, my friends. Superman. And you know, by all means, I started one before. Look how beautiful that looks, my friends. Look how beautiful that means. And by all means, get whatever sticker your child would like. I also got some stickers from the Dollar Tree as well, with all the princesses. This is pretty cool, $1.25 for these, and you have all the princesses on here. Will make a great princess planter. Okay, so we're working on superhero. I find that it's a great way to get children involved in planting and becoming a plant lover. And this is a great way to get boys interested in planting. You know, it's, you know, make a superhero planter for them and see how they manage with that. Okay, so there is my Batman, and I'm going to stick my Batman on there. So you just randomly go around, my friend, sticking stuff on. This is what makes it fun, right? And in between, over, under, make it nice, stretch it out. and just keep going. Ooh, and all over, my friends, all over. Do it, get it, use as much um, tattoo you want, much stickers you want. I'm gonna put another tattoo on it. Stop. It's just this is just a nice project to also do if you are home and the kid says, Mom, I'm bored, or Auntie, I'm bored. Say, okay, let's do a superhero pop, right? And it's simple. And these are just the stickers that you put on your body, my friends. That's all it is, just the body sticker. Nothing fancy. And they work well on surfaces as well, right? And the reason why we're putting on the Mod Podge on it is to be, it's like a sealant, right? Just to protect it um, the tattoo or the stickers coming off, right? Dun, da, da! We got one more there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to, and we all remember Batman from our childhood days, right? So it's just great to just get them all excited about superheroes again. Pow! I don't know if you would ever see Batman and Superman in the same room, but that works, right? And I'm just gonna put some random Spider-Man stuff all around. Easy breezy, my friends, easy breezy. A great project to do with the children, you know, now that they're out of school. I think I'm gonna put another Spider Man. And you can, I mean, plan this out, my friends. You can plan this out, put it wherever you want to, get the children to put it wherever they want to, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this one, and then we're gonna get on with it. And I don't want it to take too long. I want this to be a 10 minutes project for you and I. And everybody has these terracotta pots hanging around. Okay, so yeah, so we're done here with the stickers and everything. Grab yourself your Mod Podge, and with a clean brush, a dry brush, we're just gonna go over our stickers or tattoos. Just go over it. You can be generous with this, my friends, but make sure you go over all the stickers, okay? And we're gonna keep doing this until it's nicely covered, okay? And make sure you're in a well vented area, my friends, when you're working with this, because it does have a very strong smell. I must tell you though, this goes on white, but it dries clear. Not to worry about messing up your superhero pot, because as I said, goes on white but comes out clear, okay? And but dries clear, okay? Okay, so we're gonna do this until it's nicely covered. And yeah, and I'm working on my board, my friends, my display board that I've made. I'm gonna put a link below to how to make this display board. Now, this doesn't take long to dry, my friends, but I would leave it to dry for about 24 hours. I think it looks good. I think it's well sealed. And there it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it bottom down. Make sure it stays there for a couple of hours dry. And yeah, and with your brush, my friends, you just rinse the brush out with some soapy water, and you can reuse the brush. Okay, so we'll be back when it's dry. So here is my superhero plant pot. It's all done. It's dry. It took about 24 hours to really dry. It does dry shiny, and that's what you want to see. Beautiful here. So I got my soil here, my friends, and I'm going to fill up my pot with soil. And we're going to plant a spider plant. What is more fitting than a spider plant in a superhero pot? Right? So let's get this done. This is a great tool to use when you're planting. It's just one of those spoons or scoops that you get in the Oriental cooking set. This is a great plant for people who are just starting out as plant parents. This plant does not need a lot of attention, my friends. You don't have to water too often, and it's a low light plant. Not because it's a low light, that does not mean no light, right? So get it in some light part of the day, but it's a low light plant that does not need a lot of attention. And I think it's fitting to have a spider plant in a superhero pot. And there it is, my friends, all done. My superhero pot, Spider-Man, Batman, and a spider plant in my superhero pot. Okay, so that's it. Let's take a deep breath. Forget the mess and let the children play. Thank you for watching.